Welcome to a sim code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn about inheritance and polymorphism in Python. Inheritance: a child learns from a parent. Imagine you have a parent class, like an animal, that has certain behaviors, like eating or sleeping. Then, you can create a child class, like a dog, that inherits those behaviors from the parent class, but also adds its own unique behaviors. In code, inheritance allows a new class to inherit the properties and methods of an existing class. Polymorphism, many forms. Polymorphism means that different objects can respond to the same method or function in different ways. Eat a euros like having multiple kinds of animals, and when you ask them to make a sound, each animal might make a different sound. Defining the base class, the parent class. Constructor to initialize common properties for all animals. Each animal will have a name. A method common to all animals: make a sound. Defining a derived class, child class, that inherits from animal. Constructor for dog: it inherits from animal, but can add its own properties. Call the parent class constructor, animal. Additional property specific to dogs. Override the make_sound method to make a dog-specific sound. Dogs make a bark sound instead of the generic sound. Defining another derived class, child class, that inherits from animal. Constructor for cat, inherits from animal. Call the parent class constructor, animal. Additional property specific to cats. Override the make_sound method to make a cat-specific sound. Cats make a meow sound instead of the generic sound. Create an instance of dog. Outputs: Buddy says, bark. Create an instance of cat. Outputs, Whisker says, meow. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a Sim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.